Hi there. I'm going to show off a database I helped create for a student project. This was around the fall of 2021. This database was created for a hypothetical application called WorkoutEye. Here, in this application, users and their trainers would log and manage their workout sessions. Obviously, this requires a database with intricate relationships. So what I'm first going to do is show off some diagrams so you could help get a greater mental image of how the entities relate to each other. And then I'm going to show off some queries. Let's get to it. All right, let's take a look at the ER diagram that we made for the project. There's some entities of note that include the user, workout schedule, workout session, and exercise. Let's first take a look at the user over here. One of the key attributes is the user ID. Other attributes include their email, a username, and a password. A user may also have a trainer, which is another user. Since a user can be a trainer, they may have a number of trainees under them. Each trainer has the ability to do a workout session. A workout session, just imagine a list of exercises. You start out with push-ups, then sit-ups, end with a run, a jog for 20 minutes. Obviously, the session, as I explained, includes exercises. Each exercise includes metrics, measures of how we measure the workout. Think of when lifting weights, sets, reps. They also have a value, and each exercise has a name that the user assigns. Now, where things get funky is the workout schedule. It's best thinking of the workout schedule as a calendar that includes a list of workout sessions. While only a user has the ability to do a workout session, multiple users have access to manage a workout schedule. This includes the user's trainers or the user training somebody else. And that's about it for the ER diagram. There's also the schema here. Not much to say about it. I'm really proud of what we did here. Everything works out well, aside from maybe the trainer, how we did the trainer a bit over here. Causes some redundancy. I'll show you later. All right, we're gonna take a further look at the database with some queries. Let's first take a look at the users that we have here, all the dummy data. In total, there's 21. Most of them are based on a cartoon characters from this cartoon named Hey Arnold I watched as a kid. Each user has a name, as we see here, Gerald Johansson, and a password, as well as an email. There's also a trainer ID that each entity has as an attribute. Here, Eugene has a trainer ID number 6, which would be Harold. Harold would be their trainer. One thing I wasn't happy with is how we implemented the trainer ID. As you see here, we there's a bunch of nulls. Would have been better as a weak entity. I realized this last minute, and we don't have time to change it. I guess the first thing we should do is include a new user. Here I have somebody everything here filled out. A new username Banana Joe. They're gonna be ID number 22. Email let's do it. Their password, and their trainer's gonna be ID number 21, which here would be Freddie Angel. Let's quickly include them, and if we take a look, here they are at the bottom. If we try to find an ID number 22, here they show up, Banana Joe. I created a query here, just really quickly, of all the users with trainer. There's not so much, only I think 5 in total. If we include including Banana Joe, it's 5. So one thing I wanted to do is update show off how we update the users, this new user. We're going to change their email from let's do it at gmail.com to let's do it at gmail.com. Sorry, let's do it at yahoo.com, as well as more intense, all caps. Let's see how this shows up. Look at all the users, and yeah, now we have our updated email here. Each user has a fully fleshed out schedule. We'll take a look at I believe her name's Phoebe. Yeah, Phoebe. Her schedules for the months of April. So here, April the 20 for the year of 2021, they have 4. Our if we were to take a look at our boy Banana Joe, there would not be any. Take a look. Yeah, all empty because we haven't added any uh sessions yet. So we're gonna quickly add a sessions. So yeah, a new session with here we also have to insert them as a manager, Banana Joe as a manager of this session, as well as their trainer, Freddie Angel. So let's quickly do that. And I believe if we take a look at this month's schedule, they'll show up. Yeah. So yeah, now you see them here. We see the schedule here. Here's easier look at the schedule. So yeah, here we have all the managing users for the session. 21 Freddie Angel and Banana Joe, number 22. Banana Joe is a primary user of this session. So here they'll show up. So for this session, it's pretty much empty. We take a look at it. Nothing will show up. Let's add some workouts, some push-ups. As you see here, we'll add a rep with a value of 0. Sets 0. It's a bit lazy for now, but let's go ahead and let's see how it shows up. Yep. Here's this session. Here's the exercises for the session of that takes place during this time that we created earlier. Let's let's update this session. So we're gonna add a bit more reps. Here a bit yeah, more reps and more sets. Once a set of 1 with a rep of 8. If we update it, we actually have an exercise here. And yeah, that's about it. So we're done with our user Banana Joe. Let's quickly delete them. We're gonna delete their metrics, their exercises, their who they manage, as well as the session and the user themselves. All right, so long, Banana. Let's see if they still show up. And they do not. And yeah, that's about it for our database. Thank you for watching.